If your PC's sound feels too quiet, you're definitely not alone. A lot of Windows users run into this issue, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix low volume on your Windows PC. Check whether the volume levels are turned up on your PC. To do that, right-click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Make sure to adjust the volume levels according to your needs. Windows 11 also allows you to check volume levels for each app, so you can verify that as well. Try with Windows troubleshooters to fix the issue. Press Windows +I to open Windows settings. In the Systems tab, click on Troubleshooter. Now go to Other Troubleshooter. Run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen prompts and let Windows resolve any issues. In Windows 11, there's a feature that automatically reduces your PC volume when it detects any communication activity. Check if this is causing the low volume issue. To disable it, open Sound Settings, then click on More Sound Settings. Go to the Communications tab and select Do Nothing. Click Apply and then OK. Restarting the Windows audio service can help fix the low volume issue on your PC. To do that, press Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and locate the Windows Audio service, then right-click and choose Restart. Do the same for the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder service as well. Lastly, if all else fails, it could be a sound driver issue on your system. Update the sound card drivers to see if it fixes the problem. Right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager from the list. Double-click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers to expand it. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Drivers. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the update. Hopefully this fixes the issue for you. Kindly like and subscribe to the video.